Comes down to a chara. Hello there, friend. Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today let's learn how to say the names of 5 mammals native to Ireland in Irish. So I'm going to start with the fox. There are 2 terms for fox in Irish, and I'll start with my favourite, and that's shanach. Shanach. And again, shanach. The other term for fox in Irish is one that translates as red dog. The word for dog is madra, and the word for red is rua. So we have madra rua. Madra rua. Madra rua. So this word madra, meaning dog, is pronounced differently in Connacht. It's pronounced madla in Connacht. Madla, with the emphasis on the first syllable. And if you go up north to Ulster, they'll pronounce it something like Madu. Madu. Okay, so that's fox, shanach, or madra rua. Number 2 on our list today is the badger. The Irish for badger is brook. 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 And from the word brook, we get the word rucach. Now, this can be an adjective or it can be a noun. As an adjective, it can mean grey or speckled in colour. It can also mean smutty in relation to talk. So somebody might say, Cawit an chaint rucach sin. Cawit an chaint rucach sin, which is put away your smutty talk. As a noun, rucach means the set or the burrow that a badger lives in. And down south in Munster, where I'm from, that would be pronounced more rucach, with the emphasis on the second syllable. Animal number 3 on our list of mammals today is the rabbit. The Irish for rabbit is cuneen. 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 And moving on, we have our prickly friend, the hedgehog. And the Irish for hedgehog is gaeilge. 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 And that translates as something like little ugly thing or little ugly one. And we're going to finish today with a lesser known mammal. That's the pine marten. Once quite rare, but has made a bit of a resurgence in modern times. And I used to have one living outside my own house, and it would come in through the cat flap, and on one occasion jumped up on the cooker and tried to eat an egg that I was frying in the pan at the time. So anyway, I digress. The Irish for pine marten is cot cream. Cot cream. Cot cream. Cot is cat and cream is of the tree. So tree cat is what we have here. Cot cream. And famously, in the Irish legend Táin Bó Cúailnge, Maeve, Queen Maeve, wore a pet pine marten around her shoulders, which was killed by Cúchulainn with a slingshot. So there you have it. Cot cream. If you'd like to incorporate a bit of Irish into your everyday routine or just learn some Irish generally, then why not go to bitesize.irish and sign up for our gaeilge gach lá newsletter. Gaeilge gach lá means Irish every day, a good approach to learning. Okay, from me, Ben, till the next time, bye for now. Slán go fóill.
Go to bitesize.irish and sign up for our gaeilge gach lá newsletter.